Well, an Australian boy got a sweet surprise from Tom Hanks. While the actor and his wife Rita Wilson were quarantined with coronavirus in Australia, an 8-year-old wrote a letter to the couple. Now, the little boy's name is Corona, and he told them that he was being bullied because of his name. Now, Hanks decided to give Corona the typewriter he had brought with him to Australia, which just so happens to be made by the brand Corona. Little coincidence there. Hanks told the little boy to use that and write him back. He then signed the letter with a quote from his Toy Story franchise, "You've got a friend in me." Very cute.